Hi, I'm Eve and today I'm going to show you how to use the Baccarat Prepare Mandoline Slicer. There are a few different features to this mandoline slicer. You have the straight blade, and then if you turn the dial here, you have the two julienne thicknesses. The great thing about this product is that it has a grater attached to it. And when you're cutting, make sure to always use the safety food holder. With your safety food guard, push down your vegetable onto the prongs, and then you can begin slicing. I finished slicing the potatoes, and this is how well it cuts the potatoes. The mandoline slicer is also perfect for grating cheese. See? That looks great.